Just like that, all of the primer is done on this car. So now it is time to get ready to wet sand this thing. And actually I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm actually gonna go over this car and wet sand it with 1000 because it's going black and I want the paint to be super smooth. Actually on the BMW, it turned out very well doing this process and it made the paint lay down really nicely. So I'm definitely gonna incorporate that into this process because this car is black. Guys, we don't have time to waste. Let's go ahead and let's get this thing wet sanded. Has been wet sanded and blocked and made sure that it was super flat. Guy coated it, so now you already know the deal, what the time it is. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing washed off, and then it has to sit and air dry before we can start taping it up. So the goal for tonight is to get this thing painted. So whatever that looks like between now and then, let's go ahead and let's make that happen. So let's go ahead and get the bucket, the wash detergent, and let's go ahead and get this thing washed. Well, as doing all the work and doing all the editing, I ran out of memory and I just went and deleted a lot of stuff, and I deleted the important part to this video. So guys, ain't nothing left to do but see the paint. So I apologize for that, but it won't happen again because I can get a new memory card. So roll the video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it for the Mercedes. It is all done and cleaned up and now ready to be dropped off to the customer. Paint is really wet, of course. This one took a little time to do, but we finally got it done. So guys, this is it. Like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.